Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today, wait, I gotta say something. I will not be posting every day. It's my second day doing this. I want to be really successful. I won't always be doing squishy packages. I won't always be doing slime reviews and stuff. I won't always be doing stuff about squishies and slime, even though that's technically what my channel's about. But did you just hear me or what? Okay, but if I don't have an idea about like squishies or slime, which will be like rarely, then if I don't have an idea, I would just give a quick update or like do something like that. So I got a 30, shout out. And I'm not just doing this because it's someone that I know. I'm doing it because they watched it like right after I posted this, which is my stepsister Haley. And she's probably gonna subscribe and all that. So if you're watching this, Haley, subscribe. Anyone. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. And please subscribe because that will make me get more money. So, have a 30-piece squishy package. Oh, and I was saying, please give me a lot of views and stuff. I'll get more money. Then I can do like, I may be able to do some slime packages, squishy packages, more squishy packages. So let's get started. You guys see the, well, here is what the front looks like. I don't know what anything looks like inside. Oh, something spilled out. But it's like filled to the rim. So it's up. That's what I see. Just gonna grab one. Okay, I see this mini cheap one. Okay. All these buns and stuff. I'm not trying to be rude. Like, they're cute, I know. But, look, you see how this is shiny? And this is, like, not shiny in the light? Because this is a sticker that they hot glued or something. That they glued on or something. To make sure it didn't come off. If you did not hear me, there's a sticker. You see how this is shiny? And this is not?
No.
That's what I'm saying. So, sorry, it's my sister talking. And my mom. So, that's one squishy. I'm making sure I get my money's worth. One. Okay, I should not count. I'll just count them at the end. Ooh, this is cute. Okay. Okay, I'm doing this. I'm sorry for the background noise. Hold on. My mom is talking about this one girl, someone that we're keep calling her, and then my sister, she was talking to my. I see this green panda bun, but I don't know. It smells like a normal squishy. I don't know. I was just smelling it. I think it's like kind of like a jelly donut. It's kind of like a jelly donut, but filled with like chocolate or something. I have no idea. And this one also has a sticker. Shiny, not shiny. But at least it's not coming off because I'm actually like trying to peel it off right now. And it's not coming off. So that's pretty good. And this emoji bun, it's kind of hard to squish. The panda bun, not really. The kind of. So then, ooh, I see this. Oh, some of these are mini, some of these are bigger. I see this mini boy panda bun. Oh, that's so sticky. I like sticky squishies. And by sticky squishies, I don't know what it means technically, but sorry, the microwave's on. But I think it means like whenever you squeeze it, it like makes a noise. Because if I have a squishy that's like not sticky, like this one, it like doesn't really make noise. But this one is like really sticky. It makes, oops, a lot of noise. So this one's my favorite so far. So far. Because I have all those. And I've only done 3. So yeah, it's gonna be so far. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite out the whole package because, hold on. So, we have like 27 more squishies to go. So, yeah, it's not gonna be my favorite probably. Might have more. Okay. What in the world is this? Okay. Okay, that laugh. Sorry that I was sitting there. I was kind of counting. For some reason, I didn't know what 3 take away 7 was. That didn't take away 3. This one's sticky. Tell me if you guys can hear this in the comments. But I just don't really like the design. I might give this to someone, or I may do a giveaway. But I don't know how to do that. So I'd have to be like a bigger YouTuber to do that. So by being a bigger YouTuber, subscribe. Literally, just subscribe. If you don't, I'll kill you. Even sleep. I'm just kidding. This one's cute, but it has a sticker. The sticker ruined it. No. What does this remind me of? Oh shoot. It's one of those jumbo breads. They're like, sometimes they're pink, sometimes they're like a bread color, and they're like really realistic, and they're like this big. It's like, I forgot what they're called, but this reminds me of it. I know I'm not tripping. Well, I am. I'm tripping. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm not tripping. I'm just getting confused. Well, but I know a lot of YouTubers, famous ones that like have a lot of subscribers, squishy people, have those type of squishies, and they're, what is it called? What is it called? Jumbo, and they're like from like from like, I can't stop saying like, from like, okay, you're just gonna have to listen to me say like a lot. Did I just say like a lot? Okay. So yeah, famous people, like more famous people have type of squishies like this. And this is like the most rising so far, I believe. Wait, hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, it is. Like, look at this. Is it just me, or is this more slow rising? Like, still going. Still see the dent in his face. So, yeah, this one's the more slow rising. Okay, then I have this tiny little cute paw. This one's the most dense. And I'm not surprised, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers with these. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it because it's dense. I've seen a lot of people with YouTubers, famous YouTubers. I'm just going to say YouTubers. YouTubers with these, and they're like kind of really dense and not that slow rising. So I'm not surprised. Next I pull out, there's Jumbo Kissy Face bun. And I know all these buns are probably going to have stickers on them. I don't know if it's not a sticker. It just looks like one to me. I don't know if it's not a sticker and they just made it like that to give it like more detail. But, yeah. Ooh, this one's really... Wait, hold on. This one smells like butter. Ew, this one's sweet. Okay. I don't know what it smells like. It just stinks. I like squishing the back because it's like kind of one color. Kind of. Because it has the white part on it. But it's kind of one color. So, I like squish. Like, some people, this one girl, I watch her. She likes avocado squishies. If you know who I'm talking about, good. But she likes avocado squishies. And I think they're really cute. Like, they really are. They have, like, a watermelon. Did I just say watermelon? A watermelon looking one. Why do I keep on saying watermelon? A watermelon looking one. And there's, like, a mummy one. They're really cute. And she likes squishing the little seed in its belly. What is it called again? I forgot. But she likes squishing the little seed on its belly. And I feel like it's so satisfying. You just... oh, girl. Oh, that's so rude. Oh, my gosh. This is, like, the most hard squishy I've ever felt. Oh, my gosh. This is so much softer than this. Like, look. It's really, like, look. Look. Okay. I don't know if you can see this. My veins are kind of popping. Hold on. Okay. If you can tell, my veins are popping out by squishing it. But watch whenever I squish this one. It's like, there's defects on it.
What should I be for Halloween?
Chipmunk.
Whatever you've always wanted to be. Kendall.
What should I be for?
Okay, that was my sister talking to Sari. She said, what should I be for Halloween? And it said, a bird, take a selfie, and stuff like that. So, okay, then I have this orangish brown panda bun. Some of you guys like this one. I know some people do. I don't really like it. So that's that one. Okay, this video is really long. Oop. Don't look in the bag. I want to so much stuff. Oh, it looks like a puppy because it has these. Okay, you see those? Those are like its ears. This is really cute. Oh, that's really surprising too. This is the softest one I felt. It's still this one. Let's see if any of these squishies will beat it. This is kind of dense, but it's really good. I like it. It's so cute. Next one I pulled out. Ooh, I didn't see this one. This little green kitty thing. This reminds me of something too. You know those type of kitties that are like, I don't know, but they're like holding some stuff sometimes. If you know what I'm talking about, good. But if you don't, then I'm not trying to be rude when I say this. But if you don't, I don't know what
Not rain.
to. Oh,
I was wondering.
it's raining outside. Is that actual rain?
Holy shit. That came out
Mom!
of nowhere.
Mom! Kindle!
Addie.
Yeah, so I'm guessing this is not going to be friendly channel because there's just going to be cussing all around. Background.
They've already reviewed.
No.
You can choose.
Fine. You get to, she wants to see his question.
Can I see
this-
the panda?
Which one? This one?
Yes. I'll shut up.
Thanks.
Are they squishy?
Yeah. The softest one is this one, kiddo.
Are they slow rising?
Feel this one. Here, feel this one.
This one is a very slow rising.
No, feel this one compared to this one.
Why is this one so dense?
I know, right?
Wow.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite so far.
Okay.
That's why I didn't want to give it to you. But you took it.
It was kind of sticky.
Yeah, I like sticky squishies. This one is too. Like, look
This
at that.
one's slow rising.
They both are. This one, it's kind of slow rising, but it's like dense.
Ew.
But- Oh, it smells like butter.
No, it does not.
Kind of like.
Smells like chemicals.
Old butter. Old.
Old?
I just said old butter.
Ode?
It smells like old butter.
I like the slow ones.
Kindle.
What? That's not. Oh, what the heck? This one is horrible.
No, yeah, I was like, oh my, because whenever I squeeze it, it like makes, this one is too. Well, this one's not as bad.
This one is horrible.
This one compared to this, no, this one, which one is it? Which one was it? I was like, it's really dense. This one,
That one.
like, this one's dense too, but this one, it's like,
Can I pick whichever one next?
yes. So this was this one.
I will pick them for you.
It's a little green thing. Ooh, it's a hamburger. Mocha. Sneaky. No, don't take that one. Don't take them out the bag.
I'll
Don't.
put it back in.
No,
I'm gonna put it
no.
back in. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze it in the back.
Okay, I don't
Ooh,
really.
this one's gooey.
I don't like this one.
This one's gooey.
I know. That's why I didn't want you to do this. Okay, I really like
Mocha.
Mocha. I really like this one, except for the face. So I'm peeling the face,
Mew mew.
and it's really peelable. It's actually
That one
pretty.
next.
That one next. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Defect.
I don't see your bone.
Defect.
Mom, Mocha lost her bone.
Defect. 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 There we go. Look at all those defects.
Okay, we get it. There's a defect.
No, I peeled the face.
Oh. Addie.
It looks much better. I mean, no defects anywhere.
I don't see your bone, girl.
No
Mama,
defects.
it's on the bed.
Okay, next one. This one is my favorite so far. The cutest face. And it's like bunny pancakes. This one's the softest one yet. Like, look. I'm like barely doing anything. You know. This one's so soft. Oh, I can like have that. Ooh, they have a lot of keychains that they gave. And I'm going to put this on a keychain and take it to school
Can I have
tomorrow. You can't. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes, maybe.
Mocha, you're just being retarded.
Next one is. Ooh, is this a little koala? Mocha. She's loud with her bone. It's a little koala. It's not the. It's kind of hard. Kind of not. I don't know. Not going to spend that much time on this. Oh my. It's a freaking macaron.
Okay, Mocha, that one's on you. I'm trying to
Oh my. This is hard. Oh my. I can't even. Kindle.
Addie.
You can have this one. It's a macaroon.
Throw it.
It's not dense at all.
Girl. Oh, it's so cute though. I'll keep it.
Okay.
Gracias.
I don't know.
Ganade or something like that.
Senegos. I always said Senegos. I just like saying Senegos. What in Kindle? Look. You think that's cute?
Oh no.
Look at this one.
What is that?
It's like a robot. It's like a robot cracker. Okay. This looks like a robot cracker. Robot cracker. That's what I'm calling it. From now on, this is my favorite robot cracker. It's not my favorite. Sorry, my mom's having difficulties.
Yeah, it's saying my storage is freaking full and that I need
What?
to delete conversations and then I go in to delete the conversations and it's not letting me delete them.
Well, this is stupid for you. Ooh, this is a other emoji bone. This one is way softer than the small one. You want to squeeze it? No, feel this one versus that one. Which one's better? The big.
bigger one?
Okay. Ooh, I wanted to do this. Oh my gosh, look how good. Oh, it's a little peanut.
Ooh, Addie, you're gonna like this one.
Okay. I peeled the face.
Mocha, it's right behind you.
Mocha's bun is right there. She's.
You're stupid.
something else that she was trying to get?
No, I looked under the couch. No. There's nothing under there.
So it's this little peanut. This one's really good. But my favorite is this one and this one.
There's nothing under there.
And my
Shut up.
sister said I was going to like this one, so.
Mocha, shut up.
Honestly.
That one's my next one. So this defect wasn't there. I saw it paling, so I just ripped it
Oh, this
off.
one's cute, but it's. This one's so cute. Oh, it's a face.
So here it is. It's like really slow rising for a tiny squishy. Tomorrow is hippie day at our school. We gotta dress up like
Today
a
was
hippie.
hippie day.
Huh?
Today was hippie day at our school.
So
Tomorrow we get to wear
for school,
pajamas.
I'm thinking of doing this, like
Oh,
this
you
type
should
of
let me do it.
this type of look, and then I'm thinking curly hair, or a bun, or like straightened hair. I don't know which one. Okay, here's the
Mocha,
next one.
You're doing it on purpose to get attention, and it's not cute.
This is the next one. It's cute, but it's kind of dense. It's kind of dense. Like, listen to me. I'm not saying it's not cute because it is cute. It's Minnie Mouse, but it's kind of dense.
I like this one.
So. Okay, next one. Oh, this one's so cute. Hey, lady, you're so sexy. Thank you.
Gotta go quick. Your video's already at 21 minutes.
Yeah.
What?
Ooh, this one's really good. Okay,
Shut up.
wait, here it is. Okay, next one. Okay. Is this a kawaii face? I don't know what type of face this is. There's kawaii face. There's.
Oh, this one has real sprinkles on it.
I've only heard of kawaii faces. So tell me what in the comments what face this is. If you don't know, maybe watch a Mocha. Maybe watch some squishy videos to see if they say what type of face it is. Because
This
sometimes
one has defects. I don't even know what that is. What?
this one had this.
You're an idiot.
So far, wait, have any of these made hand wrinkles? No. This one's like air. Okay, next one. Next one. A donut. I don't like the sprinkles.
Oh, it's cool. It gives you the keychain thing.
I know. That's why I'm going to take this, my favorite, out of all of them so far.
Oh, this one's so cute.
Is this one. So then there's this donut. I don't really like this one. I might give this one to my friend or something.
Or you can give the ones you don't like to me.
I have to give some to Micaiah and Paige and Kamani.
No, you do not.
I do.
Mocha, stop. It's right there. You're an idiot.
Oh my, her bone's right over there by my desk. And then she's looking under the couch.
Shut up. All right, Addie.
Okay, next one. Oh, what does this remind me of? It's like the honey.
That's Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I haven't watched Winnie the Pooh. I don't even think I watched Winnie the Pooh.
You have.
Next, oh, hold on, I didn't even show them.
Oh, you like this one? It's sticky.
Sticky. Penis really. So these videos, this is not as good as this one, but it's more sticky. But this one's the most slow rising, I think. This smells good though. I hate this face. Is it just, doesn't this kind of look like a creepy face? Turn it
There's
down.
literally nothing under
Turn it down.
there.
Dun, dun, dun. Ah! No, it's creepy. I don't like it. Okay, I'm definitely getting this to someone. No. Oh, I like it. One is so cute. Look at it.
Nobody likes her.
Hey, my mom just said.
That's all of them.
My mom just said she didn't like my doggy. Such a pee-pee hole.
Mocha!
Okay, that's
I'm gonna
one.
put all these in the
Pretty
bag
good.
so they don't get lost.
Now I'm gonna put them all in keychains.
You're doing it now? Can I help you?
Yeah. I'll take some of them because I'm wearing this tomorrow. You
I
take.
guess tomorrow's hippie day for Addie.
Yeah, I already told her.
Tomorrow we can wear pajamas and take coffee to school.
Luckies. Mommy, I'm wearing this on like my pants or something. Mom,
What?
I'm wearing this on my pants or something. So I can squeeze it.
It's not letting me do anything.
Oh shoot! It's still filming. I'm stupid. Okay, you guys just heard us.
Mocha
Yeah.
has nothing
She
there.
is lucky. She gets to drink. I was about to say eat. She gets to drink coffee during school and have pajama day,
I've taken coffee to school before.
which is not fair.
Yes.
Okay, bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Put the post notifications on so you get notified. And I know I already said that at the beginning, but I gotta remind you, and I'm gonna say it again. Subscribe. Turn the post notifications on.
Oh.
Bye.